Good morning, class 7. We are in chapter heat and its effect, and today I am going to start a very important topic, which is temperature. Let us see about temperature. Water in your tap is cool, whereas ice is cold. If water is heated for about a minute, it becomes warm. However, if it is heated to boiling, it becomes hot. So warm, hot, cool, cold. How we say? We are able to say, or we are able to compare cool and cold, warm and hot with a unit of measurement. Here, this unit of measurement is temperature. Okay? Temperature is the quantity. Temperature is the quantity by which we can compare the hotness and coldness of bodies. Okay? How hot is it or how cold is it? Okay? The hotter a substance is, the higher its temperature, and the cooler the substance is, lower the temperature. Okay? So overall temperature is a quality by which we can compare the hotness and coldness of bodies. When you touch a hot object, you feel hot. If you touch a cold object, you feel cold. You feel hot in the first case because heat energy flow from the hot object to your hand, and in the second case, as the heat energy flow from your hand to cold object, that you feel cold. See the fluidity of heat energy. Heat energy flow from hot bodies to your hand, that's why you feel hotness. When heat energy transfer from your hand to bodies, then you feel coldness. You can use either the Celsius or Fahrenheit scale of measure temperature. For scientific work, the Kelvin temperature scale is used. And I want to tell you that the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, but we often use Celsius and Fahrenheit scale for measuring temperature. Okay, let us talk about the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale one by one. Okay, see, the temperature on this scale is measured in degree Celsius. Okay, read as degree Celsius. On this scale, we take the temperature at which pure water freeze at sea level to be 0 degree Celsius, and this is the lower fixed point. And the temperature at which pure water boils at sea level is called the upper fixed point. It is taken as 0 degree Celsius. So I want to tell you two important terms. First, boiling point, and second, melting point. See, we know that ice is a form of water, which is solid form of water. When you cool water, liquid water, at 0 degree Celsius, it converted into ice. And a point of temperature at which ice, in solid form of water, converted into liquid, said to be its melting point. Okay, and the melting point of ice, or we can also say the melting point of water, is 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius, liquid water converted into solid to liquid. Let us talk about boiling point. Boiling point is a point of temperature at which a liquid converted into gaseous state. Okay, and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here this degree Celsius helps in a measurement of boiling and melting point of water. And here in your textbook, this melting point given as lower fixed point, which is 0 degree Celsius, and boiling point upper fixed point, which is 100 degree Celsius. Okay, you can also see figure 5.8a. 5.8a. Okay, now let us talk about next paragraph, that we say at the sea level because the temperature at which water freeze or boil changes as go in a high altitude. You will learn the reason for this in higher classes. Okay, there is a concept of altitude where when you go higher and higher, the atmospheric pressure, these things you will study in higher classes, but right now you just understand one thing, that whenever we say at sea level, you understand that the temperature at which water freeze or boil, okay, which is at sea level. And when you go higher altitude, the temperature will changes, and these all things you will study in higher classes. Okay, now let us talk about next scale, which is Fahrenheit scale. Okay, Fahrenheit scale, the temperature is also measured as degree Fahrenheit. Okay, it's the lower fixed point is taken 32 degree Fahrenheit and upper fixed point as 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so if I ask you, tell me the lower fixed point of degree Celsius, then your answer is 0 degree Celsius. When I will ask you, tell me the upper fixed point of degree Celsius, then your answer is 100 degree Celsius. Okay, if I will ask you, tell me the lower fixed point of Fahrenheit, then the lower fixed point of Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit is degree 32 degree Fahrenheit, and upper fixed point of Fahrenheit is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, you are able to see two commonly used temperature scale in figure 8.1a. Okay.